friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shalini's Chalk Talk. Today I am going to prepare a quick and healthy capsicum chutney. As we all know that capsicum has got so many health benefits. It is rich in vitamin C, it is beneficial for the immune system, it may improve eye health if it is consumed regularly, it improves bone health, it reduces anxiety, and it has so many anti-cancer benefits as well. Come, let's check the ingredients for this recipe. We need 1 cup of chopped capsicum, 1 cup of chopped onions, few coriander leaves and curry leaves, 3 red chilies and chopped coconut. Now place a kadai or pan on the stove and we'll add some oil into it. Once the oil got heated, I am going to add mustard and urad dal into it. Let it pop for a while. Now I am adding the red chilies and fry for a minute. Here I have taken Malabar tamarind, which is very good for health, but this can be cooked with normal tamarind as well. I will explain the benefits of Malabar tamarind in my upcoming video, and I am going to add into it. Capsicum and onions are nicely fried and let it cool for some time. Friends, here I have taken the coconut into the mixie jar and we will grind it for 2 minutes by adding some water. I am going to add the fried capsicum and onion into it. Add some salt into it. Now add some water and we are going to grind it coarsely. Now I am going to add the coriander leaves. Grind this well. Now I have grinded the chutney nicely. Now place the same pan on the stove and add oil. Add mustard, urad dal and let it pop for a while. Add few curry leaves. Now switch off the flame and we will transfer this into the chutney. So friends, our yummy capsicum chutney is ready, and definitely try this at home and give this to our kids, because kids sometimes they will avoid eating capsicum in fried form. So give this in chutney form like this. Friends, serve this with hot idlis. It really goes well with idlis.